Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Python for ethical hackers. In this video we'll introduce programming and ethical hacking in details. Just to let you know that we have started this course Python for ethical hackers, which includes the creation of many useful tools. But before getting into creating those useful tools, we'll first need to understand what we are doing and how to go forward if you are really interested in hacking and programming. I'm saying this because there would be a lot of different people eager to set the world on fire with their hacking skills, and they would say, Mr. Hacker, what are you doing? We need some real stuff, not this useless theory. My suggestion to those people is that hacking and programming is a slow and steady process. Like, it's not the way I would create one video and you would learn everything. It needs time and it needs patience. Anyway, let's first understand what is programming and what is hacking. So let's first come to the question of what is hacking. Hacking generally refers to unauthorized intrusion into a computer or a network. The person engaged in hacking activities is known as hacker. This hacker may alter system or security features to accomplish a goal that differs from the original purpose of the system. Hacking can also refer to non-malicious activities, usually involving usual or improvised alteration to the equipment or processes. Now, there are three different types of hackers: red hat hacker, white hat hacker, and gray hat hacker. Okay, if you are totally not sure what hacking is, I have another video which fully explains hacking in great detail with its furthermore three types. You can watch that. I will link it down in the description. But here I have just a little explained what hacking is in order to give you just a rough idea about the hacking so that we can move forward in our next videos with the hacking and programming. So let's now also introduce the programming a little bit. Computer programming, so now the question is, what is computer programming? Computer programming is the process of designing and building an executable computer program that carries out a given computing task, and programming involves tasks such as analysis, generating algorithms, profiling algorithms, accuracy and resource composition, and the implementation of algorithm in a chosen programming language. In simpler words, programming is the process of creating programs. Now the question is, what is a program? A program or a computer program is a set of instructions to do certain tasks or solve problems. Now we can take Facebook as an example. So Facebook app is a program and it solves the problem of communication with people using images, audio, video, or any other thing. Now this course is also about hacking and programming. So our problem is either to hack system or to stop somebody else from hacking into our system. So we'll be writing programs in this course that will allow us to hack into networks, computer systems, websites or web servers, and also reverse engineer malwares and much more. Now that we understand a little bit about programming, so let's discuss how we are going to do everything. Like, you cannot write these solutions or programs in plain English. You must use a programming language for that. And in this course, we'll be using Python programming language for creating applications. So you must say, why Python? Because we can literally use any programming language for hacking. Python because it's a very powerful language that can be used for anything. Like, suppose in future you decide to end your career in ethical hacking, you can also switch over to mobile application development or website development or literally anything. You can go to AI. You can do anything with the Python. So anyway, that was it for the programming and hacking video. I hope you did understand whatever I wanted to show you in this video about programming and hacking. It was not that much of detailed video because I just wanted to give you some rough idea about programming and ethical hacking in general. If you are interested, I have some links in the description that will fully explain what programming and what hacking is in great detail. So if you are interested in hacking and programming, consider subscribing because some really great stuff is coming up. Till next time, enjoy hacking. Peace.